Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Plaid XNC230 Extreme Foldable Noise Cancelling Headphones in the vibrant pink plaid color. These over-ear headphones boast the patented Lynx audio technology, promising an immersive audio experience. One of the standout features is the state-of-the-art active noise cancellation, ensuring that your listening sessions remain undisturbed, whether you're on a plane or in a busy coffee shop. The in-wire volume control adds a convenient touch, allowing for easy adjustments to maintain safe listening levels without fumbling for your device. Comfort is key, especially during travel, and these headphones deliver with a design that embraces superior comfort. The foldable feature adds to the convenience, making them a great companion for those always on the go. The package includes a soft carrying pouch, enhancing the portability of these stylish headphones. The pink plaid design adds a touch of personality, making them not just a functional accessory but a fashionable one. In terms of connectivity, these headphones are wired, providing a stable connection for a reliable audio experience. The wireless communication technology is RF, ensuring a seamless connection. In summary, the Plaid XNC230 is not just about canceling noise. It's about elevating your audio experience with award-winning Lynx audio technology. Stay tuned as we unbox these headphones and delve into the details, testing out their comfort, sound quality, and overall performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.